Hi guys, welcome to talent management, which happens to be my favorite part of human resource management. So I'm super excited to be teaching this with you guys this term, and I'm really looking forward to expanding your horizons in this area. It's really the area that has changed HR so much because it's all about strategy and how you get people, how you get the right people into your company, how you take care of them, how you motivate them, and how you keep them being loyal to your company and doing a great job. So it really is cutting edge stuff. It's sort of the way HR has progressed in the last 20 years or so. Um, and it's at the forefront of big organizations. So it's very exciting stuff. Normal HR is important, so you still have to have your admin side of HR around. But talent management is about identifying the best people that you can get in for your organization, how you take care of them, and how they make your company great. So that's just it in a little nutshell. Anyway, let's move on and have a look. I've got some information I want to share with you about how the term's going to run and that sort of thing. So firstly, because I don't think I have taught any of you yet, just a quick introduction to me. My name is Catherine Herleen. I live in East London and I operate out of the MSc East London office. And I've been a facilitator for the last 5 or 6 years, and prior to that, I worked in human resource management and absolutely loved it. So, this is a picture of me that was taken a couple of weeks ago during lockdown. And I'm sharing this picture of me during lockdown because I think for all of us, things are uncertain and it's been scary. And right now, we're going to be studying in a different way. And that feels unusual and comes with its own issues that make us nervous. But I wanted you to not feel nervous. And I wanted, so that the point of sharing this picture really is that things happen in life and we have to find ways around them. Okay, and lockdown 2020 for me did this with me and my running. I do a lot of running. You will get to know that about me. And I love long distances in particular, and I had been training for a long time for a very special race that I was doing for the first time, and that was supposed to take place in April, and then obviously with lockdown, it got cancelled, and it was very disappointing and disheartening. But similar things had happened to some of my other friends in East London who are also runners and who had also entered various other events and were looking forward to them. And as a group of friends, we thought, no, well, we can't let this all get us down so much. We can't, we, although we're going to miss out, we need to find new things that keep us energized, keep us loving running, keep us feeling motivated, and help us through the days when our races are going to be on. So we formed a running group, we had a WhatsApp thing going, and from there we encouraged each other to run in our gardens, and we encouraged each other by we set up relay races, and we did special gym classes and all sorts of things. We just found ways of working together to get through the time. And so it took some creativity, it took some planning, and it took a lot of energy. But we did it. And you can see in this picture, there's a strip of ground behind me. That is 80 meters long, basically. That was my route was 80 meters. And I would run up and down and up and down and up and down that. And I think the longest distance I managed to achieve in one session was 16 kilometers. So although it was disappointing and although there were changes, managed to adapt and still achieve new and different things. And the same is going to happen with this term. It's new, it's daunting, it feels weird, but with a certain amount of energy and with the creativity that we're hoping to bring from our side on MSc, and with the plan that we have to go forward, you are not going to lose out on your studies. You do have to stick to the plan. You do have to bring your own energy, and you do have to keep being creative and keep participating. And you too can end up with a smile like I had in this particular picture. Okay, so that's the plan for the term. Okay, so what can you expect? All right, we're going to carry on doing classes. I'll post on a Monday, I'll put up some slides. There will be voiceovers, there'll be quizzes, there are going to be a whole lot of activities linked to your work that we're doing online. So we will keep moving through your modules. You need to be proactive about reading and doing the stuff in your modules. I am going to touch on the key important things in each one of the modules. So it's up to you to make sure that you're covering all the detail. Right, so in order to do that, we've got our WhatsApp group, which I think you're all part of already, and there's Google Classroom, right? The code is also going to be shared on the WhatsApp group, so you will have access to that. And it is imperative that you check Google Classroom at least 3 times a week. Okay, 3 times you need to go and log on. Check if I've put in any new activities. Make sure that you've completed activities and submitted it. All right, the activities are there to supplement your learning and help you get through this period. Okay, so WhatsApp is going to have a few ground rules, basic rules of respect, really, and not wasting people's data. So it is for talent management related topics only. So with work to do with talent management. I don't want you to spam on the group. I don't want any arguing, heated opinions. I don't want you to stir up any sort of drama or spread fake news. Okay, that information is not allowed on here. You can share that sort of thing with your social groups. This is for specific education requirements. Okay, never use the group to berate somebody else or say something ugly about somebody on the group. Please, if you've got issues with people, deal with them on a one-on-one basis off the group. Okay, we come from a diversity of backgrounds from across South Africa. We speak lots of different languages, but in this particular course, we're going to stick to English, please, and in that way, nobody will feel excluded. Now, critically, of critical importance is the hours that you can use this group. Okay, and the same is going to happen to you when you are out in the workforce working properly. Okay, you shouldn't message people after hours about work-related issues. So, you may message between 7:30 in the morning and 5:30 in the evening on the group. Okay, I will endeavor to answer your messages as swiftly as possible. I will particularly be conscious of this between 10 and 12 o'clock every day, all right, Monday to Friday. All right. If you message outside of the 5:30 cutoff, please be aware that I will only answer in the morning. Okay, I, like you, have got a family and my work cuts off then, and I need to deal with them. All right, so that's how that'll work. Remember, the WhatsApp group and Google Classroom are there for you to ask for help and for further explanations. So if you don't understand stuff, ask a question and be bold about asking a question, because somebody else might be feeling too shy to ask it. So no questions are silly questions. I will do my best to answer them. And then the last thing about WhatsApp, if you've got issues with data, with your ELP, and that sort of thing, please make sure you deal with your campus GM about that. Our WhatsApp group is for talent management related topics only. Okay. Right, Google Classroom, that's where you're going to find everything. Most importantly, what I want you to see is that every week I'm going to post a weekly question. It'll be under the heading weekly question. You need to go and answer that question, share your ideas, and discuss with us. It's a form of chat, okay? We're not in a classroom situation where we would normally have conversations going, or where I'd ask you questions and answers, and we develop an understanding that way. So the weekly chat is there or the weekly question is there to generate an understanding. And remember, education is about diversity. So hearing different types of answers or solutions to problems is creative, and it's where learning really happens. So please, please, please answer the weekly question. When you finish this and you have, I want you to go directly to the weekly question and answer it and contribute there. Okay. Lastly, no, not lastly, but okay, also where to find your work. I'm going to file work as you can see on the screen there, where it says week 1 work 6th to 8th of May. Okay, that is, and then next week it'll be week 2, and it'll give you the dates. And you know then to just keep up to date with what is in that folder. If you're doing that, you're going to be on track for completing your tasks. Right, talking of tasks, other than the weekly activities that you'll have, which will be quizzes, crosswords, all of those sort of things, you also are going to have 4 FAs to submit. All right, they will take place as we're going through the work, and you will have 3 essays and 1 practical assignment to submit as well. I will post later in this week about when all of those will be due. And then just to touch on experiential training, because obviously with the lockdown in place, I'm sure a lot of you are not back at work, or don't have access to a work environment. So we will do what we did last term, which was put up an interview of some sort where you'll have to answer questions, and that'll be deemed as part of your experiential training for this term. Okay, and last but not least, because I don't know most of you, we're going to have a little icebreaker activity that I would like to do called Getting to Know You. All right, and it goes like this. You have found a magic lamp. You rub it, and to your surprise, poof, out pops a genie. And genies are special mythical characters that are said to grant you wishes, and he's going to grant you 3 wishes. So on the WhatsApp group, please share your name, your campus, and the 3 wishes you would love the genie to grant you. I'm really looking forward to working with you guys, and we will start our work properly next week. Oh, and there's one other thing. There's an article on talent management that I would like you to read prior to next week. It'll be on Google Classroom for you. Okay, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye.